Hi everyone, this is Amber Davis Corbin. I'm currently a 5th grade science teacher at Spring Place Elementary School, which is part of the Murray County School District, located in Chatsworth, Georgia. Chatsworth is in northwest Georgia. I have included a picture of myself in my Minnie Mouse ears because I love Disney World. I've also included a picture of myself and my first group of students. They definitely hold a special place in my heart, and I also included a picture of myself and my husband. I will be telling you about my passion for children, a memorable issue with gifted or advanced learners, and my most and least favorite aspects of engaging gifted and advanced learners. From a very, very young age, I knew that I had a passion for people, especially children. Teaching was the perfect conduit for this passion. I believe that teaching is the most important field of work. Without educators, the futures of children in this world would not exist. Contributing to and influencing the future of the world is a breathtaking experience, and teaching is perfect for me. Also, I know the need for passionate teachers. There's a need every day for children that need love and encouragement from adults that they don't always receive at home. And ever since I was a small child, I was a gifted child, and I had a profound concern for gifted and creative elementary age students. And I also see that there's a huge need for positivity in the classroom because a lot of kids do not see it at home. My most memorable issue was, I like to call them the Fab Four. I included a picture of these 4 boys for you. This was my first year teaching, and I had these 4 boys who were all gifted. And the first thing that they said to me when they came in was, "I hope this class isn't boring." And I said, "I promise you I'll do my best to make class fun and engaging for you, and hope you love it and love me as much as I'm going to love you." But the issue that I had with this group of boys was the perfection. They wanted everything to be perfect. Everything had to be great. Nothing could go wrong. And everything was a competition. And I really had to take a step back and ask myself, how can I show these boys that everything in life is not always perfect? Everything's not a competition. So in STEM, they worked really, really hard and often got frustrated with themselves and me. But in the end, they understood that life isn't always perfect. Things are going to go wrong. You're not always going to win. But in turn, there's always a positive way to look at things. My favorite and least favorite aspects of gifted are, my favorite is the drive. In a gifted student, you can always find drive somewhere. It may not be in all subject areas, but there's a drive for wanting to do well and wanting to succeed. And then the frustration and the perfection are my least favorite aspects. They get frustrated when things don't go right or the way that they think that it should go, and they always want everything to be perfect, and it's not always that way. So those are my least and most favorite things about gifted learners.